Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello, hunters! In this video, I will explain how to avoid Zoh Shia, a formidable monster you will encounter. This guardian construct is known for its powerful energy attacks and repeated explosions, making it a challenging foe. It wields both fire and thunder elements, which can inflict fire blight and thunder blight upon you. A key characteristic is its body, encased in crystallized wyvern milk, granting it regenerative abilities. Understanding these traits is your first step to victory against this colossal beast. To effectively avoid Zoh Shia's full power, you must exploit its weaknesses. This monster is particularly vulnerable to dragon elemental damage, so equip your strongest dragon attribute weapons. Aim for its head and front legs, as these are often the easiest and most effective areas to strike. Furthermore, target the crystals on its wings and head. Breaking these will significantly deplete its energy. You can also use elemental damage on the crystals it creates to cause them to detonate, adding extra damage to your assault. Mastering your movement is crucial for avoiding Zoh Shia's devastating attacks. Always maintain high situational awareness to anticipate its wide-ranging energy blasts. Stay incredibly mobile and never remain in one spot for too long, especially when it's preparing its repeated explosions. Keep a keen eye on the ground for any white glows, as these signal an imminent explosion. Practice your quick dodges and rolls to effectively evade its powerful fire and red lightning strikes, ensuring you stay safe throughout the intense battle. Targeting Zoh Shia's key parts is essential for managing its regenerative abilities. The white crystals on its body, once broken, will grow back weaker, making them easier to destroy a second time. It is vital to wound its body parts quickly, as this monster can heal damage rapidly. Focus on breaking its mask to reveal its true form and create more openings for your attacks. Also, remember to use any environmental elements, such as dropping large rocks from above, to inflict significant damage when the opportunity arises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.